Huh? What did Mel say to me? He called me a what? Fuck Mel. Fuck Mel. Okay, guys, this is a weird intro, yeah, but if you can't speak Thai or English and that, it's obviously a play on frigging words because this is called fuck Mel in Thai. So there you go, fuck Mel, fuck Mel. Okay, cheers. So let me tell you why this is good to have on the ketogenic diet. It's really low in calories, 19 calories per 100 grams and 2.8 grams of net carbs, so it's pretty low. Has about 10% of your daily recommended vitamin C allowance, and again per 100 grams 25% of your folate intake. And folate is really important to have, guys. It's good for your your cell division, your blood cells, and it's good for RNA and DNA, etc. And if you're giving birth, if you're pregnant and you've just given birth, it's really important to increase your folate intake as well, and make sure you get the folate from natural produce, because you might have heard of folic acid and that, which is a synthetic version, and your body can't convert it quite as well, so you want to get it all from natural produce like the chayote. So there you go, that is some of the benefits of having the chayote. So it's a very versatile fruit, the chayote. The first time I had this when I was in Madeira, I had it in like some stew. It was like really nice. It was like a supplement to potato. Obviously you couldn't like roast this or like mash it up, that'd be just strange and wouldn't work. But if you have it like a boiled potato in a soup, this is a really good supplement to have. And yeah, it's like has a single seed inside, and the texture around the outside of that is like a sort of similar tasting to, like I said last episode, the winter melon and slash cucumber, but it's a lot firmer. It's a much harder, firmer, denser texture to this fruit. It also can be eaten raw. I like to use this in a salad. I made a somtam with this yesterday, and I think I'll be doing another recipe for that, so stay tuned. It's really nice in a salad. I really like it. And the slightly older version of this, the skin can be a little bit tough, so you want to peel it with like a vegetable peeler. If it's quite young and fresh, you can just eat the whole thing. It's not that bad, but like I said, the skin can be a little bit pithy. The seed can be eaten inside as well if you wish. I actually tried it for the first time yesterday. I deep fried the seed when I was frying some other stuff, and it absolutely tasted friggin' awesome. Obviously you're going to need a hell of a lot to fry a lot of seeds as a snack and that, but just one as a treat is like pretty cool, because it was really creamy and super yummy. So guys, anyway, there you go. That is the chayote. I hope you try it out. Let me know if you do in the comments, and if you have any other recipes or any ideas about how to use this, put them in the comments as well down below, and I'll be sharing some of my recipes as well with this coming out soon, this week or early next week. So thanks a lot for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't. Please like and comment, I really appreciate it, and I will catch up with you guys later. Thanks for watching, take care and stay cool. Chayote! So, yeah.